How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get your TikTok account unbanned. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your TikTok. After you're on your TikTok, head over to your inbox section. It's right on the right hand side of the plus icon and head over to activity. Now there you will find an option that says appeal. Now that notification of the ban, you can tap on it, and after you tap on it, tap on appeal. After you tap on appeal, you will be able to submit your appeal explaining why you believe the ban was incorrect. If you don't find that, you can head over to your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After you tap on it, head over to settings and privacy. After you're there, scroll down and there you will see report a problem. Tap on it. And after you tap on report a problem, you will be able to report your problem here. So simply tap on report on the bottom. There you will see different options. There's also an option called chat with us. So tap on that directly also. And right here you can talk to them. You can send your appeal here about why your account is banned. So type in here that why you think that the violation was incorrect. So if you think that the violation was incorrect, just type that in here, type a message and send it to TikTok, and they will review it. And after they review it, and if they think that the violation or the ban was unjustified, they will unban your TikTok. And that's how you get your TikTok account unbanned. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.